Good day, everyone. I just want to show us on how I personally frame my buyers from key level on higher time frame. So EU is good example for us. Like EU is a good example for us to learn from and le to learn from. So this is anytime you want to identify your key level. If it's because we have three type of key level. We have V-shaped key level, we have A-shaped key level, and we have open close key level. So apart from open close key level, apart from this open close key level, this open close key level, this bearish open close key level. So this other bearish open close key level. So apart from open close key level, if you want to identify V-shaped key level or A-shaped key level, line chart is a very good place for us to identify um our key level apart from open close key level. So because line chart will tell you what is actually going on. So now this is monthly time frame, and I said if you want to frame your bias, you have to start from monthly. So this is monthly time frame, and this is EUUSD on monthly time frame. So how this current sell, how can we frame our bias? How did we frame our bias on this Hero USD? So now let me walk us through. So this Euro USD on monthly time frame, and we can see we have a shape key level here. If I move to the line chart, you can see very clearly here. We have a shape key level here. We have a shape key level here. So you can see we have a shape key level here. So immediately we have a shape key level there. What can we find next? We can see that the A shape key level have already sponsored. After we have this A-shaped key level here, we can see that we have already sponsored this sales for this candle tap into this A-shaped key level, reject and close below. Then since then we have been selling to the downside, all this sell. That is the A-shaped key level that sponsored the sales. What can you find here next? We have an internal range liquidity very close to it. Where is it? This is the high of the candle of the liquidity. Resting close to that key level. And see liquidity is resting close to the key level. What can you find next? This green candle tap into the key level, reject and close below. That is the first criteria that you have to be met on higher time frame if you are building a bias. Candle rejection and candle closure. And what can you see? The candle tap into the key level, reject and close below. Immediately reject and close below, we know our two conditions has been met on monthly time frame. Now we want to move to weekly. We want to see liquidity sweep or a break of structure. Liquidity sweep and a break of structure or a breakout to the downside. So we want to see liquidity sweep and a break of structure and a breakout to the downside. So this is monthly time frame. This is weekly time frame. And you can find, what can you find there? You can see that we have sweep of liquidity, and you can see this is the last A-shaped key level. If I move to the line chart, make sure you are always using a line chart, because line chart will tell you what is actually going on. So we can see very clearly here that this is our last A-shaped key level that price created before we tap into that monthly key level. Let me move back to the candlestick. You can see that this is the last V-shaped key level that price created before price tap into this key level, before price before price tap into this monthly key level. Consider this is the last A-shaped key level this is the last V-shaped key level that price created on weekly time frame. So let's mark it out. Now, this is the last A-shaped key level that price created. Now let's move to the candlestick, to the line chart. You can see that after we tap into the key level, what can you see? What can you see then? We have a breakout to the downside. Immediately we will break out to the downside. I will break this structure to the downside. We have know that we have monthly and weekly time frame are in line. They are in line with each other, because monthly reject monthly from the A-shape key level on monthly time frame, reject and close below. Then weekly break out the downside. So that is showing that weekly and monthly are in line. Now, what we want to see next on daily, because that is the three time frame one of led to be aligned with each other. So this is the V-shaped key level that price reject from. You can see the next candle come to the level, tap into it, reject and close below. On your higher time frame, don't joke with candle rejection and the candle closure. Don't joke with all these candlesticks. There's a lot. So price tap into this V-shaped key level on monthly time frame, on weekly time frame, reject and close below. We want to move to daily. We want to see a Mosaic breakout as the roadmap I draw for us. The roadmap I draw for us. I said once monthly reject monthly, weekly will give you liquidity sweep and a break of structure to the downside, then or to the upside. Then if you move to daily, you want to see a Mosaic breakout. That's all. So what can you find there? What can you find there? This is daily time frame. This is the weekly candle that tap into the daily key level, to the weekly key level. You can see on daily time frame. Let's move to line chart. Line chart there's a lot. I said we want to see a breakout to the downside. We want to see a breakout to the downside. What can you find there? Price breakout from here to the downside. So that means everything is showing sell for us. Price break here to the downside. Everything is now showing sell for us because monthly reject monthly, close below, weekly give a break, liquidity sweep and a break of structure to the downside. Then what can you find on the did not give a breakout to the downside after the monthly the weekly time frame have come to the weekly key level. So really give us a breakout. Now we want to look for more selling opportunity. So that is why we have been having sale on Euro USD since all this while. You can see what can you find here? We have a V-shaped key level here. We have a V-shaped key level here. We have a A-shaped key level here. You can see A-shaped key level. I said we have 3 types of key level: V-shaped key level, open, close, and A-shaped key level. So what can you find on daily? You have V-shaped key level that is resting here. Price tap into it, reject and close below. Now we are moving to our 4 hours to look for our confirmation entry. Then we are selling to the downside. That's all. That is what we are doing. We are not doing much. And since then, you can see on 4 hours, we have been having sales to the downside. It's just for you look for your confirmation entry, keep following the direction because all your higher time frame is showing sales. So just for you to look for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 30 minutes confirmation entry and keep selling to the downside. So that is how I personally frame my bias with my key level on higher time frame. I'm still going to drop more example for us. So let's turn there on this one and watch everything.